The XAT Admit Card has now been released by XLRI. Candidates who have filled the application form of XAT 2021 and have paid the requisite application fee can download the same. In this video by Careers 360, we will discuss the procedure to download the admit card, the details that will be mentioned in the admit card, and the instructions that have to be followed. So, without further delay, let us get right into the video. How to download the XAT 2021 admit card? To download the admit card of XAT 2021, the candidates have to first visit the official website of XAT, which is xatonline.in. Then, click on the Admit Card tab on the top right corner. A new login page will open, wherein the candidates have to enter the XAT ID and date of birth and click on Login. Subsequently, a new page will open, which will consist of the Admit Card. Click on the Admit Card tab to download the same. The Admit Card of XAT 2021 will look like this. Take a few printouts of the same for future reference. Instructions mentioned in the admit card. The candidates have to follow the instructions that are given in the admit card. A valid photo ID proof has to be carried along with the admit card, such as an Aadhaar card, voter ID card, PAN card, valid college ID card, passport, driving license, or an employee ID card. In case of any discrepancy in the photograph, the candidates should bring one recent passport size photograph. Candidates cannot request for change of test center. Candidates cannot enter the test center after the gate closure time, which is 9:20 am. Any electronic devices, jewelry, jackets, calculators, watch, or items containing metal are strictly prohibited inside the test premises. Simple dressing with plain cardigans or sweaters is recommended. Candidates have to undergo a mandatory frisking activity. If any objectionable item is identified, then they have to leave it behind before entering the test center. The candidates will be allowed to log into their respective systems 10 minutes prior to the exam commencement. Guardians, relatives, or friends of the candidates will not be allowed inside the test center. COVID-19 guidelines to be followed. Candidates must maintain social distancing starting from the point of entry till the exit. The candidates must wear masks, gloves, and bring personal hand sanitizer of 50 ml, a transparent water bottle, a simple pen, and exam-related documents. No other item will be permitted inside the exam venue. The candidates must have Arogya Setu app installed in their mobile phones. If a candidate does not have a smartphone, then he or she will have to bring a signed declaration to this effect, which is provided along with the admit card, and show the same to the security guard at the entry into the exam venue. Candidates showing COVID symptoms will not be allowed to enter the exam center. The temperature of the candidates will be checked at the entry of the exam venue via thermogun. Mapping of XAT ID and the lab number will not be displayed outside the exam venue, but the same will be provided to the candidates individually at the time of the entry and post their admit card and ID verification. The candidates need to follow the directions given by the representatives and need to stand in the circles drawn at the entry points. At the registration desks, the candidates will be directed to sanitize their hands using the provided sanitizer. The photograph will be captured during the registration process. The candidates will be under CCTV coverage throughout the exam procedure.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.